Number 16 to number 8. 2 points by number 8. Number 7 to number 2. Number 2 to number 7 to number 15. Number 15, logo driven by number 10 to number 7. Number 7 to number 2. Number 2, logo driven by number 15. Number 23. Number 23 to 3. Logo driven by number 5. Number 2, Anton. To number 7. Number 2. And to shoot. 9, 8. Number 16 to number 8. Number 8. Easy to number 8. Number 2. To number 15. Number 15. Number 23. To number 16, Aquino. Aquino, 2 points foul counted by Aquino.
First personal foul. First
Personal foul, first team foul. Free throw by Aquino. Number 16.
Ito mga pagsaset ko, balo na lugar.
No good, won by number 23. 2 points by number 23. Number 2. To number 15. Number 15. There's a whistle. Foul, number 32.
Galing talaga, mga
First
pasang.
personal foul, first team foul.
Pasang gano'n.
14 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7. Still by number 23. Number 23. No good. Number 8. Easy to by number 8. Number 7.
Di pa ba? Asawa lang mo.
Number 7. Still by number 16 to number 8. Number 8. There's a whistle. Foul, number
Second
10.
personal foul. Second team foul.
Pero pag si Paring Asong pumasok niya sa mga
Foul,
abridge.
second team foul. Second team, second foul. Number 10, second foul.
So please, ay cambio, vale?
Last throw by number 8. No good. Rebound by number 14. To number 23, to number 8, number 8 to number 16. Aquino, yes sir. Number 16, 2 points.
Time out, vale?
Number 2. Number 8. To number 32. For 3. No good. Number 2. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Easy 2. 2 points by number 10.
May bagong player ka.
Number 8 to number 32. To number 8 to number 32. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 10. Number 7. Number 7, loose ball by number 7. Time out, Paradise.
Time.
Time remaining, 48 seconds. 5 minutes and 48 seconds remaining time. Five minutes and 48 seconds remaining time.
Gusto ba natin isang laro? 7 to 10 ang kita. Kasi may ko na yung siya. Kasi gusto na naman niya ma-extra. Free throw daw. Stop. Parang hindi stop. Parang ano na rin. Hindi stop pa. Eh paano kung tinagal nila? Sabi niya. Siyempre, nasa kanila rin.
Dapat Jerry yung mga sa kamay natin yung oras.
Okay, Arocayas ball. Number 32 to number 35 to 23 for 3. Yes sir, 3 points by number 23. Number 2 to number 5 to number 10. Number 10 to number 2 for 2. Yes sir, 2 points by number 2.
Malaki yung bata na Asyong na bago ha.
Number 35
Hindi na masabi.
to number
Ano yan? Yan. Bata yan? Bago yan? Bago yan?
number 10. Number 7. Number 7 to number 5. No good. Rebound by number 35. Number 35 for 2. Yes sir. 2 points by number 35. Number 2. To number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 23. 23 to number 32. 32. Yes sir. Easy layup by number 32.
Wow!
Tanuts.
Alagang sister goals.
Alagang
Number 2. Anton. To number 15 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 5. Number 5. Yes sir. 2 points. Easy two by number 5. Aquino.
Ilaw ng ulo ni Jopre ha. Bagong ahit ha.
Easy two by number 35. Anton, yes sir, 2 points by Anton.
Simpleng ano.
Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Soap. Cambio.
Number 86 in, number 7 out. Yes sir, number 86, 2 points. By number 86. Number 35. To number 32 for 3. Yes sir, 3 points by number 32. 3 points there.
Alagang Viva Max.
Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Grabe kung sino sa akin.
Alagang Viva Tamax. Yes sir. Number 2. For 2. Number 1 by number 14. So number loose ball there, loose ball. Number 86 to number 2.
Soap.
86 for 3. Yes sir. 3 points by number 86.
May cambio, bale. Zero pang nakita ko, napakalambot maglaro, no?
Last 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time. No good. Rebound by number 86. Number 14. Traveling violation by number 14.
Deboy, cambio!
Cambio. Number 2 to number 15 to number 2 again. To number 15 to number 2 again. Number 2 attacking, there's a block. Ibang by number 23. Number 23. Foul number 15.
First personal foul. Third team foul.
First personal foul number 15. Third team foul. Yes sir, 1 point. By number 23. No good. Number 86. Loose ball by number 86. Number 23. Number 23. Yes sir, easy 2. Points. No good. Rebound by number 32.
Mali yata yung pinusukan ni
Number
Barry.
32. Yes sir. Counted foul by number 32. Foul number 15.
Praktisano yan pre sa Mindanao.
Second personal foul.
Number 15. Second
Warning.
foul.
Stop.
Substitution. Warning for penalty. Paradise. Last 22 seconds, remaining time, 22 seconds. No good. No good again. 19 seconds. 15 seconds, yes. Last 14 seconds, remaining time, 14 seconds. 14 seconds, remaining time. Yes, sir. 23, easy to by number. Last 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Counted.
Basket.
Counted.
Bien.
Oh, yes, señor.
Mañana traigo.
Vamos Mañana vamos, 12:30.
Aquí, 2:30. ¿Dónde
Que
nos
tengo
juntamos?
médico a las 11:30.
¿Dónde nos juntamos?
Y luego hablamos, ¿vale?
Vale. Mañana, tengo que hacer mañana. ¡Ey! Cuidadín ahí, el número 1, el number 1. Vaya para acá.
Paradise ball. Second quarter. Number 7.
Okay.
Foul number 8, Araucaya. First foul, first team foul. Number 7. To number 2. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 32. Number 32. Looking to his mate. Number 32.
Tuhod mo tanawns.
No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. No good. Rebound by number 23. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Number 2.
Uy!
Number 2.
Di pa tingnan.
Number 5. Yes sir. Easy 2 by number 5.
Ba tala pag veterans?
Basketball lang. Simple.
No good. Rebound by number 10. To number 11. Yes, sir. 2 points by number 11. Number 7. To number 11. Yes, sir. 2 points by number 11. Number 35. To number 16. To number 8 for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points by Arukaya.
Padelera, maliit yun. Hindi ko pwede pasaan. Shot.
Nice. Ay, cambio, vale.
Number 7. No good. Rebound by number 33.
Time out.
Number 35.
Time out.
Timeout. Paradise. Last 7 minutes and 25 seconds. 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time.
Pre. Kailangan yung flip tayo. Hindi mo marunong sa ako. Aliyo!
Paradise ball. Last 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. Number 11 to number 2. Number 2 to number 15. To number 2 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 23. To number 32 for 3. No good. Number 2.
Tinang ni Boss Jeep ah. Grabe ah. Bagong ahit ah.
Number 2. Rebound by number 16 to number 25. Number 35. Easy to by number
Lapsok mo
35.
na yung player mo tatay siya.
Last 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 11. Loose ball by number 11. Number 23. To number 16. Loose ball by number 16. Number 2. Number 2.
Yan lang ay pero
Yes, sir.
clear mo na yan,
2 points
magaling.
by number 10.
Ay pre.
Number 8.
Magaling ka pa
For
rin.
3. No good. Rebound by number 16. To number 2. To number 16 again. Number 16. No good.
Mats lang kumahatan mo pardaan yun.
Foul number 15. Third personal foul. Number 15. Third personal foul.
Mas nagagana siya pagkalaban niya mga Norway, mga ano.
Yes, sir. 1 point by number 16. Last draw. 2 points by number 16.
Matuturo ka sa
Number 7. Number 7. Yes, sir. 2 points by number 7. Number 8. Number 8 to number 32. Yes, sir. Easy layup by number 32. 2 points. Last 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Number 11 for 3. Yes sir, 3 points by number 11, Rocky.
Aggressive bomba yung player mo may
Number
Ang lakas ng play.
Aggressive, pag-aggressive bomba da.
35 to number 8 for 3. No good. Same ball.
Nagmamayo, dapat na time out ng mga. Tapos gusto ka.
Awanan na ako tayo niya.
Yes sir. 2 points by number 16. Intercepted by number 35.
pa yung bigay niya.
For 3. No good. Number 16.
Nawanan, may maban.
23. No good.
Sao?
Tao na yun.
Madiag, taki ka pa yung babalaan.
Same ball.
Kaya nga, wala agad pag...
Number 7. 14 to shoot. Number 10. Yes sir. Easy to by number 10. Number 8. Loose ball by number 8. Number 7. Number 7 to number 10. No good. Rebound by number 23 to number 8. Number 8. Yes sir. Last 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes.
Ang mahirap gawin sa mga interview.
Number 11
Mahirap gawin mo.
to number 86 to number 11 again to number 7, number 7 to number 10.
Pasok.
Traveling violation. Time out! Arokaya. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Magkano binigay ng muli?
150.
Manto ko bracket?
120.
120.
Dos y pico, ¿cuánto es? 22.50 por 3. 22.50 por 3, ¿cuánto es? 22.50 por 3.
22 por 3.
22.50 por
22 por 3, me dijiste.
3.
Back to the ball game. Last
50.
2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time.
50 por 3.
Sí.
67.5.
2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time.
Lemis daw.
Times 2. 135, no? 135,
Number
señor.
25 to number 16.
120 lang.
Yes sir, 2 points by number
Mamaya,
16.
120 lang yan sila.
Number 7. 10 second shot now. Yes sir, easy to by number 7. Number 8. Take the shoot. 9. 3 points, no good. Same ball. Take the shoot. Easy to by number 35. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 50. Number 7, no good. Rebound by number 14 to number 8. Number 8, number 30. Yes, sir. Number 35. What a play.
Parang 360 lang yan.
360 na rin dito.
Number 7, looking to his mate. To number 11, to number 5. Number 5, attacking. Ooh, there's a block. There's a block there. Number 8. To number 35. Same ball. Number 35, no good. Rebound by number 16 to number 8. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 5. Last 1 minute. Number 16.
Basta PB, may 4 points na. So, pa rin nagalasan.
No good.
Binabo na lang ano.
14 to shoot. Number 14 to number 16. Yes sir, number 16, 2 points. 40 seconds remaining time, 40 seconds. Easy to. No good. Rebound by number 14. Loose ball. Last 27 seconds remaining time. 27 seconds remaining time. 1 minute. Number 11. There's a whistle. Foul number 32.
Mark! Wala nag-score! Kaya nga eh. Nag-score bigla sa linis na.
And number 11 for 3. Yes sir, 3 points by number 11. Last 15 seconds. 15 seconds.
Nag-score eh. Gulat ako. Nag-score.
Last 10 seconds remaining time. 10 seconds. So 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ball, dikit kayo sa akin, malas kayo sa akin, mali.
Number 7, number 2. Attacking. Yes sir, 2 points by number 2.
Siya magdadala ng bola sa loob.
Number 8 to number 32 for 3. No good. Number 2. Anton.
Bilisan nyo! Okay. Hindi kami
Number
na-shoot,
2.
ano?
To number 15. No good. Rebound by number 13. To number 11. Number 11 to number 13. No good. Rebound by number 13 again. 14 to shoot. Number 8. Number 8. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10 to number 11. For 3.
Tapan!
Yes sir. 3 points by number 11.
Sino mo kasi siya, momentum nyo na yan.
Tao, tignan nyo,
Number 23.
nakawan ng bola. Baksaw sa ilalim.
Hey!
Number 23. 10 to shoot. 9. 8. 7. No good. Rebound by number 35. 14 to shoot.
O sige, lapit lang pagpordya. Okay.
There's a whistle. Foul number 11.
personal foul. First team foul.
First personal foul, first team foul. Number 8. Yes sir, 2 points by number 8.
Puto, bati ano, lobat. Pasok?
Number 2.
O, tatlo na kayo dyan sa gilid.
To number 10. Number 10. No good. Rebound by number 23. Loose ball.
Ngayon, huwag ka nila. Baba tuloy.
Di pa, mamaya pa, 30 pa lang to.
To number 15 to number 2.
Mamaya mo.
Number 2. No good. Rebound by
Nasa
number
kanal ka, kung
8.
nasa kanal ka, gawin.
Number 8.
Ha?
Number 8.
No, pag nasa kanal ka, malayo, di ba?
Yeah, dito! Pag walang pito.
O, sige, mamaya na lang.
Foul number 23.
First foul, first team foul.
First foul, first team foul. Yes sir, 1 point by number 13. Last row.
Sobra na nag-swimming na
Yes
siya.
sir. No, not count, not count. Not count, not count. Number 23. Number 23 to 32 for 3. No goal, rebound by number 13. To number 2. Number 2. 14 to shoot. 10. 9. 8. Number 8. Foul by number 8.
13.
13, Tito.
Number 13. Sorry, number 13.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul, number 13.
First team.
First team.
Second team foul. First personal foul.
First team foul.
First personal foul.
Number 13. First foul. Second team foul. Number 15. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 10. Number 11. Yes sir, 2 points by number 11. Last 5 minutes and 20 seconds. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. There's a whistle. So, conditions off.
Third personal foul.
Number
13 foul.
Sino 13?
Yes, yes.
Number 10?
substitution. Number 10. Third personal foul, number 10. Third personal foul. Last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes. Yes, sir. Last 5 minutes. Number 2, Anton. To number 10. To number 2. Yes, sir. He made it. 2 points by Anton. Number 23.
Warning.
Number 10, warning ka na.
Fourth.
14 ka na, number 10, 14. Substitution, red soap.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty, Paradise. Warning for penalty, Paradise. First draw, no good. Last 4 minutes and 27 seconds. 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Remaining time. Last draw. No good. Rebound by number 86 to number 2. Number 2.
Nice, yun lang. No good. Rebound by number 13. Master, 2 points. 62 by Yun lang. 13.
Malapit na,
Sabang ka lang. Manis defense. Depensa. Lapit agad. Box. Okay. May sabay sa gitna. Sa gitna. Oy, foul!
Bola.
Harap mo. Wala na tayong mic.
Bumihit.
14 to shoot. Number 5. Yes sir, he made it. 2 points.
Tuloy pa.
3 minutes!
Last 3 minutes. Last 3
Wala
minutes.
nang mic!
Bakit natin? Number 16. No good. Remember number 16 again. To number 23. No good. Lalaki.
What you say?
Penalty ba? Penalty.
Penalty.
Wala na tayong may
Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Sayang ang boses. Sarap kasi yung interior panoorin. Malayo. Literal na. Pero itong nanonood dito, mas madami pa nung kaysa naman sa Malaga. Alam niya.
Last 2 minutes.
Tayo lang din ang paragsak ka na laban di Malaga. Dahil po rin yung kasama mo dito. Gusto ang PPM Moto Club, dito sila maglaro. Agon. Uji. No? Uji Gold.
Fourteen to shoot. 9, 8, 7. No good.
Literal na patak na lagi dyan.
Fourteen to shoot.
Mangibaw kalati may sa kamay yung gana pa.
45 seconds. 5 seconds. 30 segundos. 14 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds.
Pasurot na ipa yung adi na biyahe. Pwede matraining ka kasi tawad sundot nayayaris dito.
Medyo ko sa kadata, hindi ka makalusong na dapat. Ipagnanat ko sa dahil ng kapakasala ka na eh.
Sub-switch na ba? Hindi ko ikanta ka dalam mo. Katawan na sister na dalam na.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Makita yung pagkidi karta, kakasta ganyan tuloy, karta lang kita pag-karta.
Oh, yun di ba? Oh, di ba? Claro, nagkapitando. Ano?
Madre mía.
Ese.
Yan. Napanood lang kayo sa mga interview.
Claro, eso es alta. Todo por aquí, todo vale. Kahit babae mo lang yung laman,
14 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Number 10, foul out.
Graduate.
Graduate na, Jess.
First team foul.
Graduate na, Jess.
Falta. Falta. Teknika.
Technical?
Teknika. Nasa players yan.
Technical. Pre, konting ano lang muna.
Dito po kayo sa...
Natawag na, hindi naman mababawi na eh.
Dapat dito na sila sa table.
Second shot clock.
10, 9,
8, 7, 6.
First foul, second team foul.
Second team foul. Open.
Oras.
7:20. Thirty-five. Foul.
Second foul, third team foul.
13 foul.
Ano na lang.
Second foul.
Kaya ka-isolate na.
Six minutes, 47 seconds. 6 minutes.
Third second shot clock.
Warning na yung 23 ha.
Court na. Court.
Warning for penalty din.
Limang team nga lang doon pa.
Triple.
Last 6 minutes. Last 6 minutes.
Ganyan parang ang city.
5:40.
Brad, sigaw mo pa.
Ikaw mo ba ka kay Lord? Saan mo ka lakat ng bito ka mo ilagas mo?
10 seconds, shot clock. $4.58. $4.20. Kamay na kamay. Kamay na kamay ganun. Agatan, sige lang. Oh. Number 14 foul.
Penalty!
Namin naman minsan experience mo hosta. Naririnig ka talaga. Ang mga dapat nga at mawakan ka ba si Pon? Oo. May time talaga yung mga game niya. Hindi naman maintindihan ng player minsan. So dapat nag-initiate liga. Kaya itapas ta. Tapos kaya minsan kami minsan ang talong balikan. Ano mo pagtubiyan nila tapos tapos ba? Bukan kami dito.
3 points by Gordy. $3.45. 3 minutes, 45 seconds.
Hindi problema kanya. Nakapiti ko ito eh. Sa dukay mo nga taga-paradise siya main. Mapanto mag-picnic o muna kami.
Oh! Tristos!
Ikaw mo kaya report. Ikaw mo.
Asal. Di pare aso lang masumre.
Ikaw yung pagrado yung best.
2 minutes, 30 seconds. 2 minutes.
Di may aminti Portis ko, jure ko ka problema eh. Kontak-kontak, jure Portis mo kaya. Jure at kontak na ka, awang problema. Anda na rin yung
Last 2 minutes. 3 points. $145.
Lupa namin.
10 seconds shot clock.
7,
5, 4, 3, 2,
malayo. Amino, dali ka ka. Amino ta mga aba ka. Mas lang magkakadwa. Yung player na asing wala naman mga interior.
Last 1 minute! Bihira yun. Pre, bihira yun. Bihira. Three points by Viva Max.
3 points na to. 3 points ang laro, wala na ano. Dapat kanina pa eh.
Last 20 seconds.
Pinaka-low na try.
15 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
92-71. Winner. Ang Rukaya.